dad cars. Specified by the guy that bought it new, it was spec'd as a wedding car.
That's not a bad wedding car.
So he crossed the line through that said exhaust valve.
Yeah.
So you can't open the valve, so it's a kind of wedding car. It's not for grounding around.
No.
And the colours were chosen, interior and exterior, to be complementary of any colour choice.
Yeah.
And there's no privacy glass in the back, so that you can see the bride. So the guy that specified my phone number from somewhere, we had a chat about it.
Yeah.
And he said, "Can I force refusal?" And he came to sell it. It's one of those cars that part of you wishes you hadn't sold it. Sort of thing. Silly in a good way.
Yeah, this is more muted. This is like that's muted. That's muted.
I haven't done anything to the car other than normal maintenance stuff.
Yeah.
Which has had a quite a bit of, especially recently.
It's a Maserati.
It's actually weird, but they're quite rare over there. Did nearly 3,000 miles, and I saw one car of the same body shape.
Wow! So they're extremely rare, even in Italy, then.
Yeah, more rare in Italy. I saw a few Levantes, a couple of them newer Ghiblis. But one car, I was driving past Lamborghini, and it came out from where the museum is, and it followed us for about a mile and then went off somewhere else. That was the only time in nearly 3,000 miles that we saw another one of this.
Well, this is the type of car you would take to Italy. It was a pleasure. We were both very comfortable at the end of every day. Do 6-7 hours a day, get out fairly fresh at the end. Yeah.
I mean, driving in Europe generally is a bit more relaxing than here.
Oh, of course.
You've got a big thing, so you automatically go through the toll stuff.
must have spotted the Bentley.
Is it? Might be, or it might just be another Bentley.
That's one of ours.
Yeah. We had one of the Camberley, didn't we?
Yeah.
Bentley.
He's fairly local, so he may have been at Camberley.
Yeah. No, the one at Camberley was... No, it was